Purya, we have seen this Anvaya. Puryashtake Kshine. When Puryashtaka, Suksharira gets destroyed. Here gets destroyed means ceases to function. Not total nasha. Like it was told, it is like a bija with the soil and the water together, ready to germinate here, ready to make the new embodiment. So here, Kshine, when it stops functioning, Puryashrite, Yada, when Chittam Vyomani Viyate. Chittam, Antakarma, Vyomani. What is Vyomani? Hardakashe Brahmani. As it was told as Prana. So the same thing as Hardakashe Brahmani. Is the Brahma abiding in the Hridaya Akasha. So Vyomani, Liyate, Varje. Then, do you know what is that? Earlier what the people are saying? This person is alive. Like who are? Hritspandita Vetala. Like a corpse wherein a Vetala has entered and made it lively. So like this also here. So now say, what people say, when the Puryashtaka has stopped its function, Tada Ayam Deha Spurati. This Spurati should be very careful. So, is very evident. Sputa Bhavati. What evident? Evident like Kashta Loshta Devat Achetanaha Spurati. Spurati don't take as function. It is evidently seen as inert like wood or a lump of mud. So that is that. Why? Suksharira has stopped functioning. Moment Suksharira stops functioning, body is a dead mass. So that is it. So there is the Puryashtaka. Tada, at that time, Ayam Deha, this Deha, hitherto which was lively, becomes Spurati, means it becomes evident like wood or stone or a lump of clay. And then what people say, Vrutaha iti apicha uchyat iti uchyate cha. Papa chale gaya. So this poor fellow, he died. Vrutaha iti api uchyate cha. This also. Earlier what was there? Jivati iti uchyate. Abhi vrutaha iti uchyate. All whose handiwork it is, Chit. Here, there Chit made, that means made the Chidabhasa available. Here, Puryashtaka stopped means Chidabhasa no more available. It is there. Iti uchyate. Continuing.
स्वभाववशतो जीवः विस्मृत्या शक्तिमृच्छति वैवस्यात्कालवशतः पर्णं जर्जरतामिव अन्वय जीवः स्वभाववशतः विस्मृत्या शक्तिमृच्छति
विस्मृत्य अशक्तिं पृच्छति
विस्मृत्य अशक्तिं
पृच्छति
विस्मृत्य अशक्तिं रुच्छति पर्णं कालवशतः वैवस्यात् जर्जरताम् इव
Jiva, see, this is the plight of Jiva. And the flight of Jiva means whose flight it is? Chit. All because of what? Swaswarupa having got forgot. Not knowing the Swarupa, mistaking whatever that is not me as I because of this Chidabhasa availability in the Upadhi. So that's it. Jiva, Jiva, Swabhavavashataha, being under the sway, control of Swabhava. Swabhava can mean ignorance, or it can mean Kala or Niyati. At different level it can mean that, but mainly it is ignorance. Due to ignorance, aviveka of the Swarupa. See? Kala means in course of time. Niyati, Ishvara's law. So therefore, controlling factor. So therefore, Vashataha, what does it do? Vismritya, having forgotten one's true nature. Vismritya, having forgotten one's true nature. Ashaktim richati. Ashaktim richati. Ashakti means weakness. What is that? Vismritya swasya ajara amara brahmarupatam vismritya. Having forgotten one's true nature, what is that? True nature, ajara, free from old age, amara, free from death. What is it? Brahmarupata, Brahma Swarupa, having forgotten. Ashaktim richati. Richati means prapnoti, gains. What? Gets the weakness. What weakness? Says, Jaratha dehagatam ashaktim. Jaratha, you know, old person is called Jaratha. Jaratha dehagatam ashaktim. All weakness belonging to what? An old body. See, generally, when samsara dukkha is described, two things are highlighted. Dukkha at death and dukkha in the old age. Knee replacement onward. So these two are emotionally don't ask at all. See, I am talking physically. Emotionally 100 problems are there. So just to talk of physical disability, so that is what it is. So, Jaratha dehagatam ashaktim says, richati, itself gets it, richati. So, richati. Then what happens? Just second line. For which an illustration is given. Paranam kalavashataha vaivashyat jarjaratam iva. Parna. So Parna is a leaf. Kalavashataha, in course of time. It grows on the tree, that tree, then what? It becomes old, it falls off, dries, then it gets what? Tossed hither and thither. In course of time it gets so dry that it gets crumbled into pieces. That is what jarjara. Jarjarata means old, infirm, worn out, or shattered into pieces, broken or shattered into pieces. So old, infirm, worn out, broken, shattered into pieces. So that paranam, kalavashataha, in course of time, vaivashya, helplessly. So vaivashya, helplessly, what happens? Jarjaratam richati iva. See, it has become jarjara, broken into pieces, shattered into pieces. It becomes like that. This body becomes weak. Continuing.
Jiva shaktya paramrushte
परामृष्टे
निरुद्धे पद्मयन्त्रके प्राणे संरोधमायाते म्रियते मानवो मुने अन्वय मुने जीवशक्त्या परामृष्टे निरुद्धे पद्मयंत्रके चलनात् प्राणे संरोधम आयाते मानवः म्रियते. Again, मुने जीवशक्त्या परामृष्टे निरुद्धे
जीवशक्त्या परामृष्टे पद्मयंत्रके चलनात् निरुद्धे.
मुने जीवशक्त्या परामृष्टे पद्मयंत्रके चलनात् निरुद्धे प्राणे संरोधम आयाते मानवः म्रियते.
So body has become jarjara, and then in course of time he dies. We have to say in course of time. You know why? वो प्रारब्ध का हिसाब चुकता होना चाहिए. Account of prarabdha has to get settled. So that depends on the death, depending on the prarabdha kshaya. So that's why I say, so what happens in course of time? So what happens? Muni, this Vasishta, Jiva Shaktya Paramrishte. When Jiva Shakti is not referred to, is not considered. What is the Jiva Shakti? Earlier, a sequence was given how Padma Yantra gets activated. It was in the stanza 29. So how Puryashtaka, Padma Yantra activating the Puryashtaka, how Puryashtaka gets activated. So for Puryashtaka get activated, what should this have done? Padma Patra or Padma Yantra should get activated. Padma Yantra gets activated by Smriti. Smriti of what? Bhokta, Bhogya, Bhoga. That's Smriti. And that Smriti gets activated by Vasanas. Vasanas get activated by the Ajnana Krita. That is what, yes, it is the Ajnana Krita. Chitaha Chetyonmukhata, extrovertedness of the chit. So that is on account of Ajnana. So now here it says Jiva Shaktya Paramrushti. That Smriti of Bhokta, Bhogya, Bhoga is not referred to, means is not considered, as if it is cut off. That link with the Smriti of Bhokta, Bhogya, Bhoga, which activates the Padma Yantra, is cut off. So that I say Aparamrishti literally means when not referred to, means when there is Vismriti, when it is forgotten. Jiva Shaktya Parashte. As a result, the Padma Yantra is not functioning. Padma Yantra ke chalanat niruddhe. Padma Yantra has stopped its function because its motivating factor, Smriti, is not there. So Padma Yantra ke chalanat niruddhe. As a result, when Tadvayantraka stops functioning, prana stops functioning. Prane samrodhamayate means prana totally stop. Manavaha mriyate. The person, what happens? He dies. See, Deha Tyaga was described. Deha Tyaga presupposes what? Which Deha Tyaga? Present Deha Tyaga. That presupposes present Deha Grahana. But Dehantara Grahana was described. Again, how it dies. Now, how long this takes place? Janma, Marana, Janma, Marana, Janma, Marana, Janma, Marana. Say, this is but natural. Why lament about it? About thing which is natural, why sorrow, for which a illustration is given, and it says, if you don't want, correct the first mistake. Practical level, what is the mistake? Bhoga Sankalpa. You read Bhoga Sankalpa. Bhoga is where stanza 34, 35. Contrast was drawn. The one who has got Bhoga Sankalpa, his Padmayantra is always on move. One who has given up Bhoga Sankalpa, who has taken what? Vimala Vasanaha, in course of gains knowledge, Padmapatra what? That motivating factor of the Padmapatra stops prana, etc. He becomes Jivan Muktaha, Chiravishaha. So that is what it is. So Bhoga Sankalpa, so that is there. So there you attack, but not be lamenting on Janma Marana is not going to help. On the contrary, this fact that we are subject to Janma Marana should open our eyes. See, everyone has got wishful thinking. You know, one of the question of Yaksha to Dharmaraja was, what is the strange thing? Seeing the death right in front, that people as if I am immortal. They behave as if I am immortal. That is what it is. World is saying the true education we have to get from the Jagat. It is meant for us. Mosquitoes onwards are kept to educate. If life is not going to be cozy at all, however, at the peak of luxury and comfort you may be, so long as the body is there, you are susceptible for sorrow. You are prone to be sorrow. Maybe some good prarabdha is stopping it for some time, etc. Thank your stars for that. Of course, stars are neither benevolent nor inimical. Grahas. See, actually, this grahas only point out the possibility of what can be in future for this newly born child based on past karma. It is not iron law. It can be changed. If it is not changed, yes, already software is there. But there is a due provision given there to change for good or worse. Suppose at times very bad things are there. By doing good, they can be kept in abeyance. And after certain time, they get nullified by that expiry date of medicines. Medicines have got expiry dates or not? But some purushartha has to be taken to keep them in abeyance. So that's why it is not there. But it gives an indication. So for example, by those people who are destined to get married by taking to adhyatma. Yeah, there are cases. By taking to adhyatma, they get escape from that. So it's Purushartha. It's all Purushartha. By grace of the God, invoke the Lord as a Markandeya, whatever, 16 years. Markandeya is a very good example. 16 years of life. That many such things are there. So, but by Purushartha Yoga, he could overcome that. It only means his karma phalas were such that he can't live beyond 16 years. That's all. That is what the grahas tell. Nothing beyond that. That doesn't mean that it is bound to happen. Nothing. No, it can be changed. Anyway, now here, what has happened? The prarabdha has got exhausted, and therefore the janma marna cycle continues. It has to be broken. Let us see now.
Yatha jatani chanyanyanyani kalataha Vrukshat parnani shiryante Sharirani tatha nrunam Advaya Jayante cha mriyante cha Sharirani sharirinam Padapanam cha parnani Katatra paridevana
Paridevana. It's an old discussion. In Gita also, Parivedana, Paridevana. Even if Gita this word comes, I read somewhere in olden days in Marathi literature that Bapat Shastri etc. were there. So the big discussion, Paridevana, Paridevana.
Anvaya Yatha Anyani Cha Jatani Parnani Vrukshat Kalataha Shiryante Tatha Nrunam Sharirani
Jayante Sharirani, correct.
Sharirani Jayante cha Briyante cha Padapanam cha Parnani as iva Tatra Paridevana
Ka Paridevana.
Tatra Ka Paridevana
Yatha, that's right. Anyani cha Jatani Parnani. Just as different leaves born on the tree. Just as says Anyani means different from one another. Sure. What are those? Jatani Parnani. It is repeated because repeatedly born leaves. Leaves which are repeatedly born on the tree. See what happens? Earlier leaves wither away, new leaves get born. They wither away, new leaves get born. Process continues. So therefore Jatani repeatedly born. So that is the Jatani Parnani. What happens to them? Vrukshat Shiryante. They get separated from the tree, means they fall off from the tree. Again, Tatha, in the same manner, Nrunam Sharirani. The Nrunam here is Jivanam. Nunam. Jivanam. Sharirani. Embodiment. What does it mean? Anyani, anyani, jatani, jatani, shiryanti. Different embodiment and different varieties. How many? 84 lakhs varieties. Not wide option. But only thing is that you have no choice. It is already programmed. All that you can give the feedback. And what is the feedback? Papa Punya. So therefore control at your karma level. Once Papa Punya card is punched, you have already given the feedback. Depending on that, varieties of embodiments will be given. Cockroach or good. I think those who poke in the affairs of others must be the cockroaches have got no two antennas. They first poke that, then they go. Anyway, it is like that. Angry person like a cobra, hissing for everything, hissing. The Bhagavan says, be a cobra, always give a being hissing at others only. It depends on the karma phala. Once it happened, Rama and Lakshmana were going, Vanavasa they were going, they were passing through. And dog started wailing. Rama said, see what has happened. So he found that passing by Brahmana has very badly beaten the dog. So Lakshmana came and reported. Rama called the Brahmana. What harm did he do to you? Why did you beat? Just like that. Just like that? How can you beat like that? So he asked her, now what punishment should I give this Brahmana? What the dog said? Make him the manager of a temple. Rama said, what? You tell me a punishment. You are rewarding him. No, Rama. Last birth I was a manager of a temple, but I could not resist the temptation to usurp the money of the temple. Because of it, I have become a dog. Let him become a dog and he will understand what suffering he will undergo after. So like that, it is all karma phala accounted depending on the karma phala embodiment that is taken. So your choice is where? Not in selection of 84 lakhs of species. Your choice is only what to do and what not to do. You have been given certain discretion. Of course, it also is limited discretion that you have to make best use of. So that I say, so tatha nana sharirani anyani jatani. That is anyani jatani shiryante. Same thing is further explained. Sharirin, that is tatha nrinam sharirani. This phrase is further elaborated. Sharirinam, again Sharirinam means Jivanam. Sharirin means one who wields a Sharira. One who makes use of, one who takes to a Sharira, Sharirin. So Sharirinam of Jiva. Sharirani, embodiment. See what happens is Jayante cha Vriyante cha. Are born, they die. They are born, they die. So how? Padapanam cha paranani iva, earlier given the illustration. Padapa is tree. Padena pibati iti padapa. Padapa, it drinks through the roots. Roots are covered, figuratively told as what? Pada, feet. One who drinks to the root, that is what Padapa is a tree. So Padapanam cha Paranani iva. Like the leaves repeatedly born, repeatedly they fall off, born, fall off, born, fall off. Tatra, in this matter, ka paridevana. Paridevana means pralapa, lamentation, wailing. So what? A thing which is destined to happen, what is it? Having taken the embodiment, oh yo, I am getting hungry. I get hunger. What? Who told you to take embodiment? Hunger? Eat.
Yes.
So that's all. So that you have ordered the embodiment. What can be done? You don't. You see. Yo, I am getting cold because nose you should have. And so long as nose is there, cold also will be there. So long as our heart is there, attack also will be there. You can take some precaution. That is fine. Take precautionary measures. That also Bhagavan has provided. See, Satya Sai Baba says, 3 causes of cardiac problem. Hurry, worry, curry. A life of hurry. See, that is that. Worry. Curry stands upalakshana for food. Hurry, worry, curry. So these are the causes of cardiac problem. So therefore, avoid hurry. So plan properly. If you have to reach office at 9:30 and taking into account so how much time it travels, plus 15 minutes for margin for unseen delays, etc. You can be at leisure, you can reach the office. Very Vatula Chintava Nasti Niyanta. So you fool, do you think that there is no regulator, there is no Parameshwara as if you are behaving like that farmer who was sitting in the train with all basket full of vegetables on the head. You know that? In Konkan line, the farmers, they grow vegetables. In the village, who is going to purchase? Everyone is producing the vegetables. So that by that time, Konkan railway started. So, but this fellow every day goes to the village market and saying, neighbor say, what idiot you are? Who is going to purchase? What you say? Vegetables which can give you 1,000 rupees, you will not get 50 rupees here. What you do? Go there 15 kilometers away. And what are you talking? With such a load of this thing, if I walk every day 15 minutes of load and return this thing, will I survive? You don't know. That is train now. Trains are started. You have to go there. What is that train? You go there, such and such. Tell them one window. You tender so much of money and ask him, give me a ticket. He will give a piece of paper. He doesn't know what is ticket. He will give a piece of paper to you. And then, wait, others are also there. And train comes. A big dabba is there. You enter and sit there. And when that station comes, you will ask some person, get on and go there. You will get 1,000 rupees. And evening, return like that. It's a good idea. And purchase the ticket, train came and go there. And like that, many farmers from earlier station also had come, here also had come, and all of them kept the load down and relaxed, etc. This fellow did. He looked around. What ungrateful people! This poor sage is carrying us and bearing so much of load, and these people are putting the load on vegetables. Vegetables also, I won't do that. I won't be such ungrateful. I will carry on my head. Even if you carry, who has to carry? So you think that you take care of this thing, Ishvara only has to care for you. Better give it to him. Let him do his job, okay? You be carefree, yes sir. Anyway, worry, curry. To know what should be the right thing, go to Ayurvedic doctor. This allopathy doctor will not be able to tell you properly. You must buy. You know this cholesterol, I think a doctor will know, a patient will know better what is the price of a cholesterol tablet. You take Alshi, I think it is up to 40 rupees per tablet it is. I think, I don't know, maybe varieties of this, up to 40 rupees per tablet. And per day if you have to take 2 tablets, then I don't know how much it is. So you go this thing, ask for 4 or 5 rupees Alshi. You will get a packet. It will suffice for 1 week for a family of 4 members. Okay. And most effective. I will tell you, one general practitioner, had cholesterol problem. As relatives told, he is a doctor. Relatives, take Alshi. He didn't believe. And afterwards, he got attacked and then bypass was done. And Panda told, Dr. Panda, Asian heart attack, they told, after the bypass, they say, take Alshi. Then he did. So I'm telling you, actual case. Then he got the Panda to other relatives told. Relatives didn't, they came to know from others only who know about it as well. So like that, so curry, food control has to be there. So like that, so all are there, these are subject to all these. So that is the case, it is Tatraka Paridevana. Why inevitable thing is that, why lamentation? So you try to satirize at first, but don't, there is no this justification in lamenting over thing that is inevitable. So if you have to avert at the right level, not here, where bhoga sankalpa, give up. So then take to what vasana? Vimala vasana. That makes Sthiraika Rupa Jivaha, Chanda 35. Be Sthiraika Rupaha, the one who her mind abides in the Atma Sarupa, become Jivan Mukta. He will be free from Janma Marana Rupa, Samsara. But here, lamenting over this Janma Marana is not because that's the nature. So that is the nature. That means the Jiva has to get subjected to all this so long as he mistake oneself to be Jiva. So that means, know for certain, so long as the samsara is there, repeated, taking janma, new embodiment, giving marana is unavoidable. This should help to develop Vairagya. Don't take things for granted. This is what the plight of the samsara is. Be wise. Continuing.
Chidam buddhau spuranteta deha buddha pantayaha itaschanya eta swasthana dhimataha. अन्वय एता संधि स्फुरन्ति एता अन्वय
एताः
देह बुद्बुद पंत्रयः चिदं बुधौ इतश्चान्या इतः च अन्या स्फुरन्ति इतः च अन्याः स्फुरन्ति. Again sandhi eta swastha is etasu astha. Sandhi is etasu astha. Now anvaya etasu dhimataha Astha na.
Etaha deha budbuddha panktayah. These panktis, rows of deha compared to budbuddha. Budbuddha means bubbles, bubbles on the water. Have you seen this? How they are born, how they just wither away. So like that, like the bubbles on the water, these deha panktayah, these rows of embodiment, what etaha, they what? Spura chidambudhav spuranti. They manifest, spuranti here manifest where? Chidambudhav, in the ocean of Chit Swarupa Atma Brahma. How, what type of embodiment? Itasya anyaha, itasya anyaha. Every time different from the earlier one. Itasya anyaha, other than this means every time different from the previous one. Anyaha, spuranti, are born. Etasu, in this deha budbuddha panktis, in these rows of embodiment, dhimataha asthana, dhimam, viveki, astha, interest. A viveki has no interest at all. Why? He is interested in the swarupa and get away from this janma marana rupa samsara. Astha means interest. Astha, no. Now, this deha tyaga prakara, dehantara grahana krama, in short, by whose chitta of chit is now summarized by Lord Shiva in 2 stanzas. What was told so far is summarized in 2 stanzas. Sarvaga.
Sarvaga pichide tasmin. Cetasi pratibimbati. Padarthamantara Nanyo hi mukura drute. Anvaya. Chit sarvaka api etasmin cetasi pratibimbati, as yatha mukuradrute anyaha antaha padartham hi adatte.
Mukuradrate.
न ही आदत्ते. पदार्थम न ही आदत्ते.
मुकुराद्रते अन्यः अन्तः पदार्थं न हि आदत्ते. Chit, chit, Chaitanya Swarupa. Who is that chit? Don't forget that Devaha. Devachana Vidhana. Devaha. Parameshwara. Chit. Paramatma Tattva. Divinity principle. That chit. Otherwise you forget that chit. Chaitanya itself is Deva. So chit says Sarvagati. Though all pervasive in nature. Sarvaga. Though all pervasive. Api. Even though it is also Asmin Chetasi. In this Antakarna, what does it do? Pratibimbati. It gets reflected. That is because of the very nature of the Antakarna. So, it is for its illustration is Yatha Mukuradhrate. It is Mukura is darpana, mirror. See? It is Yatha, just Mukura Dhrite means except the mirror, say nothing else bears the reflection of a thing in it. Who bears? Mirror means all reflecting surfaces. It need not be only mirror as such, water or what is any reflecting medium, except the mirror. Mukura Dhrite is Antaha. Antaha means in itself, in oneself, within oneself. Padartham nahi adaste is anyaha. Mukura Dhrite anyaha. Anya means anything else other than mirror, nothing else other than mirror bears the reflection of the thing in it. Means only a reflecting surface has got the reflection of the thing in front of it, nothing else bears. So that is why. So here, what is the in place of mirror? No, antakarana. Reflection is Chidabhasa. The reflection of thing is Chidabhasa. But the reflecting medium is what? Antakarana. That is so designed. That is how it is designed. And that is the thing with all samsara. Because if Chidabhasa were not there, Upadhi cannot be Satyatana. If it is no Satyatana, nobody can mistake it as what? I. Because everyone knows one thing for certain, I am a sentient entity. Even a dog also knows. I am Satyatana, I am not inert, everyone knows. And then what? Experience-wise, body is available as what? Satyatana. Immediate mistake. Body is I. So that mistake has to be set right. Okay. That is how. That means, second time means, just as except the mirror, nothing else bears the reflection of a thing in it. So also here in the Chetasi, in the Antakarana, this Chidabhas, this Chit, Sarvavyapi Chit, gets reflected in that. Continuing.
Chidamalanaphati prayatna rupaha parivitate tadanmaya kuranti kalakala mukhara sputavirama vividha sharira vimohatapana vividha sharira vimohatapanaya Anvaya Parivitate Chidamalanaphati Prayatna Rupaha Kala Mukharaha
Tadanmayaha Tat atanmayaha tadatanmayaha
Sputavirama
Ramaha
Sputaviramaha Spuranti
No, Vividha Sharira Vimohatapanaya
Sputaviramaha Vividha Sharira Vimohatapanaya Spuranti. Lord
Shiva has described samsara in nutshell with its origin, from where it has come. This Parivitate Chidamala Nabhasi Chit. You know the Chit is what? Chaitanya Swarupa Chit. So, Amala Nabhasi, pure Akasha, in the pure Chidakasha. What type of pure Chidakasha is it? Parivitate. Parivitate means Purne. Paritaha means Samantataha. Vitate Vistrute means Purne, that which is expansive everywhere, means that which is full and complete. So therefore, Paritaha, Samantataha, Vitate means Purne, Parivitate. Chidamala Nabhasi, in the pure Chidabhasa, yes, Chidakasha, not Chidabhasa, in the Chidakasha, Prayatna Rupaha, Kalakala Mukharaha. What is Prayatna Rupaha? Those which have got fructified because of earlier efforts here means karma, means sukha dukkha bhoga, which are the result of past karma. So that is this prayatna rupaha means purvatana means earlier, of the past, sviya one's own, shubha shubha prayatna efforts, karmas in terms of good deed, parinati rupaha, which have got resulted in terms of papa punya, giving rise to sukha dukkhadi bhoga. So therefore, prayatna rupaha means, what are prayatna rupaha? So, kala kala mukharaha, those things which are full of the noise of what? Hasya and rodhana. Samsara, we have to see in Kathopanishad, Samsara Vriksha is there. And Shankaracharya, commenting on that, he has said, you should read that passage, a masterpiece in literature also. How in detail that Samsara means all hilariousness, all crying, weeping, ayo, why are you beating me? Leave me, ayo, all these things. So that are there aspects. Like it is compared to a big tree full of birds. I don't know, you may not have seen. Early morning and dusk, dawn and dusk, you should see, you have to close your ears. Once we had this experience at, what is that, Shukleshwar Mahadev. About in 90s, about 15, 18 years back. So it is there. One tree was there, two trees were one day. Small bird, what a noise they made. And actually that village was remote, no vehicles also come there. Except nearby crematorium, a wood cutter cutting the wood, no sound at all. Occasional sound, that's all. And morning and evening, once that is there, Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Not even a pin drop silence there, no noise at all. So that is kolahala. So that is what noisy seen as such. So therefore, see this prayatna rupaha kalakala mukharaha. So kalakala mukhara means kolahalaihi mukharaha. Mukharaha means full of. What is that kalakala? Says this prayatna rupa, that is karmas are fructified into sukha dukkha, and what they give? Sukha dukkha phala bhoge. When sukha dukkha phala bhoga is there, do you know what is that? Hasya rodanadi kalakalaihi. Hasya, hilariousness, ha ha, hoo, next moment, ayo. So ayo, so that is what? Kalakala mukharaha means it becomes noisy. This samsara is noisy. Why? You did not go far. I have seen the very posh buildings also. Regularly such quarrels and this and that I can hear from them. Means high-fi people, and they are coming. So that is it. Kulal Mukharaha, so that is it. Again, Mukharaha. Tadatanmayaha. What is this? Tadatanmayaha. Tanmayaha, atanmayaha. Tanmayaha means Jiva Rupaha, Chinmayaha, Chidrupaha. Atanmayaha, Jagad Jiva Jagad Rupaha, Jada Rupaha. So Jada Atad means Tadatanmaya means Chit Achit Prachura Jiva Jagad Rupaha. Tanmayaha is Chidrupa Jiva. Atanmayaha means Jada Rupa Jagat. So therefore Gargaha. So then Tadatanmayaha. So Sfutabhiramaha. So this what are the Tadanmayaha? Kalpanaha. So such imagination, projections. So Sfutabhiramaha, which are Apataramaniyaha. Outwardly they look very fascinating, very beautiful, very pleasing outwardly on the face of it, not truly. So therefore it says Sfutabhiramaha means Apataramaniyaha. At first cursory glance appears to be pleasing, yet tadagre amrutopamam. Afterward don't ask. Pariname visham iva. So therefore Apataramaniyaha, Sfutabhiramaha. What are those? Vividha Sharira Vimoha Tapanaya Spuranti. So, means this all Mukharaha, Sfutabhiramaha, Spuranti, Pratibhasante, appear. What for? Vividha Sharira Vimoha Tapanaya. It is like this. Vividha Shariraihi Vimohena means Bhrantya Atmanaha Tapanaya. Vividha Shariraihi, by the means of varieties of embodiment. By the means of varieties of embodiment. So, and again what? There Janana Maranadi Bhrantaihi. By the Bhranti, Brahma of Janana Marana, that is Vimoha. So Vimoha. Tapanaya, Tapanaya, Atma Vimoha Tapanaya. By delude oneself, subject oneself to all these sorrows, what? Spuranti, Pratibhasanti, appear. All where? Parivitate Idamala Nabhasi. All this is projection of what? Chit Swarupa Atma. In this manner, the Chit activates this embodiment. Chit takes to the embodiment. Chit gives up the Deha Tyaga. So therefore mainly here it was Dehapata Vichara. How Chit does the Dehataga, where Dehantara Grahana also was there, so that was described. Next Sarga is Dvaitaikya Pratipadanam. Dvaitaikya Pratipadanam. The so-called Dvaita Rupa Jagat is nothing but Advaita Rupa Brahma only, Chit only. Dvaitaika Pratipadanam. The so-called this, the dualistic world is nothing but Advaita Rupa, Chit only. It is established. So now this is the subject matter of this thing. Just as Jiva Jagat Bheda is on account of what? Moha Sankalpa. On account of Moha, Aviveka, Bhoga Sankalpa, so that was there. This was described. Same thing is now established based on Tarka reasoning. One is how is it? One may ask whether, because there are certain statements which can give room to doubts. We will see that what are those statements. So therefore, what was told that just as Jiva Jagat Bheda is on account of projection of Moha Sankalpa, Aviveka Sankalpa, so also say that Jiva Jagat Bheda can be established based on reasoning only. How it can be established based on Tarka is shown here in this Sangha. To begin with, Vasishtha has got doubt. He has got doubt. Refer to stanza 52 of Sarga 32, just now see what was told. Sarvaga chit, sarvaga api chit, etasmin chetasi pratibimbati. Sarvaga chit, all pervasive chit. Chit 52, first line. See, just now we have seen that. The chit, which is all pervasive, gets reflected in the Chetasi, Antakarana. You have followed. Is there anything contradiction in the statement? To get reflected, reflecting medium must be there or not? And reflecting medium must be different from the thing reflected or not? And you are talking of Sarvagachit Eka only, Advaya. How come in Advaya duality be there? See, if Sarvagachit has to be reflected in Chetas, Chetas must be different and Sarvagachit must be different. Are you ready to accept it? No. You only are telling that it was Ekam Advata. So therefore, how this reflection is possible? Means you have to accept duality per force. Other one is, see, stanza 42 earlier, second line. Ativahika dehatvam vismarati akilam kshanat. Before that, first line. Dhrida bhavanaya paschat tatraiva rasashalini. The chit, because of Dhrida Sankalpana, tatraiva means what? Earlier, it has projected a Sthula Akara, and in that Sthula Akara only what? Rasashalini means Aham Shaktimati, means in short, it identifies with the gross body. Who? Chit. Now tell me, two things must be there or not? Yes. Chit one, and that Sthula Deha is there. And how this is possible in Advaya Brahma? Advaya Chit is Eka, which was told earlier, Sarvatma Swarupa. How is it possible? This is the doubt. And Lord Shiva, do you know what he does? Outright dismisses this question. He says, your question itself is wrong. How? We will see. Be ready now, okay? So now say, Sri Vasishtha Vacha
Chandra Shekhara Dhara Chittasvasya Mahatmanaha Anantasyaika Rupasya Dvitvam Kathamupagatam. Anvaya Chandra Shekhara Mahatmanaha Anantasya तस्य एकरूपस्य चित् तत्त्वस्य द्वित्वं कथम् उपागतम्?
This question is in two verses. First and second verses describe the question. Chandrardha Shekaradhara. What it means, O Lord Shiva. One who is bearing, Chandrardha means half Chandra means crescent. One who has got Shekara on the head, Dhara. What is Dhara? Dharati iti Dharaha. One who is wearing means bearing a crescent. Crescent means moon. Crescent moon on the, so that means on the head. O Lord Shiva, Mahatmanaha anantasya ekarupasya chittattvasya. For chittattva, adjectives are given. For the chittattva, what is chittattva? Chillakshanasya tattvasya. That tattva, principle, characterized by what? Chit means the principle having the nature of Chaitanya and Chaitanya only. And what type of chit tattva it is? Mahatmana. Mahan rupasya. Atmana hai rupasya. Mahan rupasya means sarvavyapi rupasya. Anantasya, free from dik kala vastu paricheda. Anantasya is free from parichednata of dvik. Dik means quarters. That is space. Kala, time. Vastu, object. Parichednata are not there. Again it is ekarupasya. All the time same in the sense sajatiya, vijatiya, swagata bheda are not there. You are supposed to know all these ones. Sajatiya means differences on of same species. Cow, different varieties of cows are there. These are the Vijatiya, difference on account of different species. Cow, horses, buffalo, like that, or dog, like that, you see. Swagata, differences in oneself. You take your body, head, forehead, nose, eyes, lips, neck, trunk, like that. So that is what is free from all these differences. So Ekarupat, again, Vijatiya Vedasya Swagata Bheda Rahitasya Ekarupasya Chittattvasya Dvitvam, status of having duality, means there are two types of duality. Sajatiya Jiva Rupa duality, Vijatiya Jagat Jada Jagad Rupa duality. See, Chit is Chaitanya or not? So Jiva also Chaitanya or not? So duality, what type of duality? Sajatiya. Chit also is Chaitanya, Jiva also is Chaitanya, but they are different. Like this is white cow, that is red cow, but both are cows only. So that is what Sajatiya duality in terms of Jiva. Then Vijatiya duality in terms of Jada Jagad Rupam. Chit is Chaitanya, Jagat is Jada, Vijatiya. This is how come? This Jada Rupa. Katham upagatam. How did that come? That katham means kim swataha upagatam uta parataha upagatam means praptam. Kim swataha upagatam. Is it on its own? You can't say on its own. Do you know why? Your chit is avikari. Chit is avikari means not subject to change. Otherwise, chit would have changed to become Jiva and Jagat. Chit doesn't change. So it is not possible on its own as such. So then, parataha means this upagata means praptam. Praptam parataha. Parataha means on account of something else. Not possible. Advitiya. In Advitiya, something else to bring the duality is not possible. Means you are limitless, unchanging Chit Tattva is so. How it can become dualistic Jiva and Jagat. It cannot take place on its own because Chit Tattva is avikari, non-changing. Again, it cannot be because of something else, because in non-dual Chit Tattva something else is not there. And still, Ditva is there or not?
Yes.
How is it? Continue.
कथं च तन्महादेव रूढं पर्याय संकुलम् भवेत् दुःखोपघाताय प्रज्ञया विनिवारितम्। अन्वय महादेव कथं च तत्
Take this. Mahadeva katham cha paryaya sankulam rudham tat paryaya sankulam rudham tat pradneya vinivaritam and sat pradneya vinivaritam and sat dukkopaghataya bhavet. दुखोपघाताय भवेत्। महादेव कथं च पर्याय संकुलं रूढं तत् प्रज्ञया विनिवारितं सत् दुखोपघाताय भवेत्।
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महीषाः। गो ब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम्। लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्य शालिनी। देशोऽयं शोकरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः। ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ओम्।